The Pantsir-S1 is a Russian mobile air defense system. Developed by the KBP Instrument Design Bureau, the Pantsir-S1 combines automatic weapons and surface-to-air missiles in one platform. Vehicle: the Pantsir-S1 is mounted on a KAMAZ 65608x8 vehicle, which provides high mobility and off-road capability with a maximum speed of 90 km per hour and a range of up to 800 km. Radar and optronic systems: 1RS-21 multifunction radar with a detection range of up to 36 km and an electro-optical tracking system for precise fire control. Also equipped with thermal and TV cameras as well as a laser rangefinder for accurate target detection and tracking. Missile launcher: the Pantsir-S1 is equipped with 12 576 or 576E missile launchers, which can launch surface-to-air missiles at high speed. Effective range of 1.2 to 20 km with height range of 5 meters to 15 km and has a missile speed of up to 1,300 meters per second. Autocannon: to 2A38M 30mm automatic cannons capable of firing up to 5,000 rounds per minute at close-range targets with an effective range of 200 meters to 4 kilometers. This system has the capability to attack air targets from short to medium range, including cruise missiles, drones, and other precision munitions with a combination of automatic cannons and missiles. The Pantsir-S1 is capable of providing multiple layers of protection, ensuring redundancy and effectiveness in a variety of combat scenarios. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting content. See you in the next video.